Yo, what's up? Good morning. It's 7:30 morning and I'm just driving around my neighborhood again today. But I never show you this area of Sanur. Actually, this is the Pantai Jalan Karangsari. So many new villas, new development around. So enjoy. Many of you are familiar with this area, so this is for you guys. Alright, so this is the small warung kecil. Later at the end of the video I'm gonna show you the newest and the biggest warung kecil, and this is the Pantai Karang. At the front is the Soul in the Bowl. Very famous place, unfortunately closed at the moment, and I need to just pass the street and show you the Jalan Karangsari, which is the my neighborhood, let's say. And well, here will be the Hyatt place, the park, and here are some restaurants, and also just at the corner they are starting a very residential area, so many houses and villas, and also so many new developments. So that's how it looks like. Here you have some small local warung and local laundry, and here we go, here is already some villas. Another homestay here. On the other side is the park under construction, what is belongs to Hyatt. And obviously here already the brand new villas under the construction, under the development. So many of them, and they are actually new and modern and beautiful. Even one of our subscribers, some of our subscribers plan to build villa somewhere here. So somebody planned to build villa here, and unfortunately they went back home to UK, Casa Lily. But I'm not sure if they are still looking to build villa here or is already postponed. Orchid Queen Villa, beautiful. So many beautiful areas here for having a villa, for having a house. If this couple gonna continue building the villa, they invite me to make a vlog inside and talk about the whole process, how it is, since beginning of buying the land, obtaining the rights to owning the land, renting, leasing, building, and stuff like this. Building. All right, here is also big area. Hello. Big area of land and villas inside. Also space for sale. And here actually obviously it's 50-50 between local houses like this one, for example, and the local small warung selling the breakfast nasi, and fancy villas. What's many foreigners building, like this one, for example, brand villa for sale, 120,000 American dollars only. Stuff like this. So yeah, and this is just actually also this one brand new. This is very short street, very small, Karangsari, and at the front already is the main street in Sanur. It's called bypass. I'm gonna hit there to show you. So you will have a point of view where I start driving and where this road is finished. Also here is something, I think this belongs to the local village Banjar. Yeah. And then at the front is the big road, it's called bypass road in Sanur. Very busy, I'm not gonna drive there anymore. However, just wanted to show you how does it look like. Also here I will show you quickly. This is like a small new street. On the left, on the right is villa, and also here is the construction. So the villas are still under development here, and all of them, they are actually new and fresh, and looks pretty nice. As you see, here will be another villa, and that's how it looks like. Beautiful, actually small hidden street deep inside the residential area with the parking spaces. What is under construction right now? Here at the front will be the swimming pool, and the villa will be looks like this. All right, just driving on the land of the where will be the park in the near future. This belongs to the Hyatt Regency, obviously, and that was just the forest for many of years. If you remember, however, it's changing a lot. They already make the beautiful parking area, and I think here will be the beautiful gardens, and here will be some obviously parking spaces, and I think some restaurants. Something like Bali collection. I already mentioned, I think, a few times already about that. However, never drive inside, so that's how it looks like. All right, and this is Jalan Kesari, just next to the construction of this park. And where is this skip track? There is the guest house, and this area is also famous for the guest houses and also obviously for many other villas and houses. Here is Puri Kesari guest house, for example. I need to pass this track definitely. Alright, I made it. The road here at the beginning is very bumpy, but stay tuned. Here's already the villas. Beautiful villas actually. House for rent if you would like to stay here. And here again, 50-50 between local community and foreign leased villas. Not really owned maybe, but leased. And it looks like this. So many, it's beautiful here at morning, especially to drive. However, if afternoon is more cool. Here is some local people. That's how it looks like here. Everywhere on the left, on the right, they are villas. Everywhere here are villas. I believe, as some of you who are watching me today, you used to live here, or maybe still live here, or maybe own the villa here. So, especially for many of you who used to live here and now are back to your home country, you must have a great memories from this, because I'm driving literally in your neighborhood and it's beautiful here. It's a really great place for living in Sanur. Most of these villas have a swimming pool deep inside, and the only problem, let's say, if we can say is problem, is the road is quite small here. However, we still can fit 2 cars somewhere here and stuff like this. Is no problem. It's really beautiful. Some older, some newer, everywhere on the left, on the right. There also is the roads here, left, right. If I'm gonna go right, that will be the Kesari Dua. Ooh, very shaky here, bumpy. Hello.
Hello.
And I will show you in other occasion there, because there is also residential area, very long. You can go to Sindu actually in Sanur and everywhere around the villas. But today I'm focused only about the small 2 short gangs, streets around the residence Sanur here. Also area of few houses, few villas deep inside with security. And here also everywhere are local houses and villas, obviously. For rent, for sale, for lease. Well, obviously when the local people living, no, it's they are living still there. Here is something for under the renovation. That's how it looks like. Yeah, local warungs, steel. If you would like to enjoy some nasi champur at morning. And here is a little bit ugly looking corner. Unfortunately here not much is happening. That's potentially area where you could buy land and build something. Why not? And here at the front is already another main street in Sanur, what I show you, and the big warung kecil infinity. This is the newest warung kecil, what you can have also lunch, breakfast and dinner every morning, not, you know what not. And show you the area here. I need to go past the street now, like this guy. That's not that easy. Alright guys, just managed to pass the street, which is a very big success. And there is the warung infinity, what I was talking, and the residential area. You can comment below, what do you think? Have you ever lived there? For people who are familiar with Sanur area, would you like to live after watching my vlog somewhere there? Loud bikes. Okay guys, it's going to be hot. I need to edit video, and like always, see you tomorrow as always. See ya, take care guys.